Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Vlogmas. Oh my goodness, love the mug. See the mug? So amazing. I just got it at a local coffee shop. She's gorgeous. I love how she twinkles. Anyway, today's video, you guys, we're actually gonna come up with a quick 15-minute workout to do together. And then we are going to be decorating my bedroom. Like behind me, we still have all of our fun fall stuff, and it's time to make over my bedroom. And then if we have time, we are going to be making some SIBO-friendly gingerbread cookies, because if we're gonna decorate for Christmas, we might as well make some cookies. Know what I'm saying? So if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into this video. Okay, hold on. Let me put you guys down for a second. All right, you guys, so like I said, we're going to be making over my bedroom really soon because Doug pulled out some more of our Christmas stuff. We're gonna go away for Thanksgiving, and then we're having Friendsgiving here the Sunday after Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna vlog a little bit of Friendsgiving because why not? But the Friday after Thanksgiving, you guys, we're gonna go ice skating and do the tree lighting downtown, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along for that. So stay tuned, Vlogmas is gonna be fun. I'm so excited. If you guys have been following along in November, you guys know that I have been dealing with some SIBO gut issues, psoriatic arthritis flare, and just my body has been feeling really weak and tired. And so the thought of jumping into even a 30-minute workout has been a little bit overwhelming because I'm so worried that I'm gonna get sick, or just that my body, I don't know, just like mentally I've not been in a workout space. I've been just really drained and really exhausted, and I've been listening to my body, which I urge you to do all the time as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out my Remarkable, and I'm gonna make my own really quick 15-minute workout. And I'm just gonna do all the things that I absolutely love, okay? So we're gonna open a quick sheet. We've got a quick sheet open, and I'll show you guys what I write down. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a Tabata style. I'm gonna do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, and I'm gonna do 2 rounds of everything. So that's a full minute for each exercise. So I need 15 exercises. Okay, so I'm gonna write this out, and then I'll show you guys what I have come up with, and then we'll jump into a workout together. Oh, also a quick note, my vlogging camera broke. Wah, wah, wah. Tragic accident, she fell, like my whole setup fell and it jammed the lens. So if the quality of the content currently isn't like peaking, it's because I'm filming from my iPhone. You do what you gotta do. The universe is testing us, and they wanna know how bad I want this, and I want it so bad. So don't worry, a new camera is in the works. We just gotta get there. So hang tight with me. I hope that the quality isn't too bad. Okay, back to this. You guys, let's turn this off. Woo, it feels good. I am super sweaty. I feel so good. I feel so strong. I'm just so blessed that I was able to do this workout. And like, I just had music blaring and I did all of my favorite things. I think the most important takeaway, you guys, is that workouts should be fun. They should be something that you want to do. They should be something that you enjoy doing. If you're not enjoying the program or the thing that you're doing, it's gonna be a lot harder to stick to it. When you make it about being a lifestyle and a choice of like, I just wanna move my body, it takes away the pressure of being good enough or working hard enough. Like, just do your best that day and that's all you have to do. Just show up for yourself. Sometimes for me, that's just a walk. Sometimes that's cleaning the bathroom. Sometimes that's doing a quick 15-minute burnout workout where I feel so good and so much energy right now. If this workout inspired you to do your own at-home workout, comment down below what your favorite workout move is that you love to do at home with or without weights. I want to blow up the comment section, and next time I will create a workout with all of your favorite moves, okay? So let me know in the comments down below. I'm probably going to be really sore tomorrow. I'm going to do a little bit of stretching. I'm going to throw myself together, and then Liv has requested that we wear our matching Christmas jammies to decorate, which is so perfect because it is still like 30 something degrees outside. It is so chilly outside, so I'm ready to be cozy and do a little bit of Christmas decorating. I'm gonna go throw myself together. I absolutely cannot wait to pull out all of the Christmas ornaments, so let's jump into decorating. You want to come say hi to the channel? Come here. Hi guys, aren't we the cutest? Magic jammies. Yeah, look here. Yeah. Okay, so Doug pulled out our stuff last night. We're so excited. Liv has decided we need a Christmas tree in the kitchen. And I agree. You want to say hi? Meow, meow. Okay, so, yeah. Yeah, oh, that's how Snowflake Kitten here talks, because she's a kitten. Meow. Let's go through some ornaments. Okay, we're gonna put our tree up. You can open that. I'm gonna pull out the tree.
Don't cut your finger.
Oh my goodness. Do you remember when I cut my finger? Was that last year or was that 2 years ago?
Yeah, last year.
Was it last year?
Yeah,
no, I think that was 2 years ago. Ooh, that one needs to stay in the box for now.
I never seen this before.
You want to show the channel?
Hey, channel, look.
There you go. There it is.
It's a cool key.
What does it do? Do you remember who gave us that?
No.
Auntie M. Auntie M. Oh my goodness, you guys. So, we're gonna put, I always love putting ribbon on my tree if you guys have seen any of my Christmas Decorate With Me videos, but this really pretty soft fuzzy and then gold sparkle. So this tree, it's gonna be very white and gold and I'm excited. I love this tree. I mean, I love all of my trees, but I love this one so much. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. Let's see if we can get you guys a better angle. Bought this for the Christmas tree in the living room. I don't know if you guys can see how pretty she is. Love her, but it lights up. I just kind of want to see what she looks like. I'm dying to see what she looks like. Do you want to see what she looks like? Yeah, me too. It's a no-go on this tree. I just don't have a plug at the top of this one. I didn't know that. Okay, start decorating. So I picked up at Target, it was their ornaments, but it's like their little $3 section. I just really loved these little natural wood snowflakes. I thought they were really cute, so I got 3 of them because I buy everything in 3s. I found this guy I thought would be really pretty for our white and gold tree. Yes, sweet baby. And then I could never find ornaments that have all of our initials. So I have T's all over the place. I've got T on my wreath, I've got T's, I've just got T's. But now I've got an O, a D, and a C, so now I have all of our initials. And they're white and gold, so they're perfect.
And so I have an O in my name, C in your name, and a D in Dad's name.
Yes.
So because we all have different photos in ours.
We sure do.
I put my O on.
Beautiful. Okay. So we'll see if we need those snowflakes. I got this guy at like a little local craft shop last year. You know, they have all the different artists. And I just loved this little natural rainbow. It's so pretty. Oh no, I love that spot.
Beautiful from all this decorating.
Yeah, you are doing a fabulous job. Show me what you got.
So I put the big guy.
Which one? I love it. I love it so much.
And you it's gonna be Christmas soon, and Christmas means Santa will give us presents. And we get to decorate trees, and we get to unwrap them.
It's a time to celebrate with the ones that we love.
We celebrate the ones that we love, and we get to
We also give gifts to make people happy, right? Well, I mean, not that gifts make people happy.
Yep.
If that's your love language, that is.
That's my love language.
Gifts are your love language?
Yep.
Great.
That's my language.
Talk in your language. I love it. Alright, you guys, please tell me I'm not alone. I will put ornaments on a tree, and then I will spend the rest of the Christmas season rearranging them until it's perfect. Does anybody else do this? Let me know in the comments down below, because I just need to know that I'm not a total freak. Let me know if you guys do that too. Because I want it to look perfect. You know what I mean? And all of a sudden you'll be looking at it and you're like, if there's a gap here, we need to fix that gap. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Mom, can you wish someone, can you wish there's someone helping you decorate a tree?
Oh, that's what I've always wanted. And here you are. You are my treasure, honey. Nobody has ever wanted to help me decorate a tree. Auntie M, sometimes. But for the most part, your dad would never help. I always do it by myself. Sad and alone. And now I have you. We gotta get a picture in front of our beautiful tree. All right, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the tree, but you guys have to see what it actually looks like in here. This is the behind the scenes. Oh yeah, coffee left over from pre-workout, the mess, the lighting. But the tree looks really pretty. From here, we look good.